Hey guys, today we're doing some squishy cutting open videos. Yeah! So here's all my squishies. I'll give you a little tour. And I'll give you my favorite squishy at the very end, and we also have a squishy reveal. Ooh, pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to do our squishy cut and open now. Ready? So here's my little helpers, Kaya and Emily. Woo!
Hi, people.
So Emily's going to cut hers open first. Shouldn't you get a bowl, Emily?
Nah.
Mom? Thank you. Okay. Here goes Emily cutting open her squishy. Ready? And whoa! Whoa, what is that?
It's slime.
What? So cool. Do you guys want a close-up of that? Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, look at that slime in there. It's cool. And then we're going to do a slime mixing video right after this video. Ooh, cool. And Kai's next. Do you want to cut open your squishy, Kaya? You can cut it open over the bowl. Whoa! What is that? You can take that chick out of there, probably. Whoa, look at those chick nuggets. They're like chicken nuggets.
That was a little close to my hand.
Whoa.
Move your hand.
Cool.
Chicken nuggets. It's bad because it's in water. Now it's clip. Can I cut up your wrist?
Okay, guys, my turn to cut and open my squishies.
Hello. People's up in water. Hey, no.
Okay, first I'm going to cut open this one. Ready? And chop. Whoa, look at that silicone rubber in there. Look at it. Is it sticky? Oh, it's sticky. Let's see if I can stick that back together. There, see, look at him. All normal. Okay, now we're going to cut open this one. Look at it, it's all filled with Orbeez and it's really squishy.
Squish the Orbeez.
Squish. Ready? And cut open. Whoa! Whoa! It exploded! That was so cool! Look at all those stuff in there.
Got some chicken.
Whoa! Okay, guys, now we're gonna do our big squishy reveal. Ready? And ta-da! Look at that giant Orbeez squishy. Super squishy.
Look at that bubble.
Whoa, so squishy.
A charm.
Oh, and there's little charms in it. Cool. Okay, now I'm going to give you one more tour of my squishies and everything on the table.
Chicken. Yeah.
Whoa.
Slime and Orbeez.
Is that thunder? Whoa, guys, it's thundering out. Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.